Good morning, everyone. ABAQUS Tutorial Lesson 3T6 Composite Material Modeling Method number 3 is very easy to study. Zero basics can also follow me. Let's begin. Open software, set directory. Today is June 19, number 3 file. Okay, let's create a simple part. The third method is a 3D part. Okay, pay attention. Before this lesson, continuous or conventional cell material is lamina, but solid material you must be choose constant engineering. Okay, I will show you. Engineering constants. Okay. I don't care the value. I only show you the method. Okay. Sear modelers. Okay. Engineering constants. Okay. Click this button. Solid 4 layer. What is solid benefits? Firstly, you can consider the change in thickness direction. Secondly, stress can be transferred from layer to layer. Okay, this is solid benefits. Continue. Double click. Done. Material. Yes. Relative thickness. Even. Okay. Oh no. Okay. Okay, the normal direction, no problem. You need create system. Yeah, 000. Oh no. Oh, sorry. 000. Click middle mouse. 1 0 0. Enter. 0 1 0. Enter. Okay. The system is the same with this. Okay. Cool. Okay. Assembly only one. Okay, you can choose. Okay, you can select what you focus on. Okay, only one. Pay attention. Mesh, you need choose 3D stress. 3D stress. Okay. Okay, let me see. Have any problem? Check date. Date check. they check. I only teach you the modeling progress. I will not run the analysis. Okay, no problem, no problem. Okay, this is the master number 3. Okay, I hope you have followed me. Thank you for watching. See you next time. This is my email. Okay, my WeChat. I usually use my WeChat. This is my WhatsApp. Okay, bye bye.